Okay, guys, know some of you are having trouble logging into Blackboard, and that has to do apparently with browser's cache. Now, there's a problem on our end that we're hoping will be fixed soon, but in the short term, this is a way to hopefully fix your problem. First of all, I'm going to start with Chrome, then I'm going to go to Firefox to show you how to clear it as well. And then hopefully you can then log into Blackboard if you're having an issue. So with Chrome, it's real easy. Hold down the Control and the H key at the same time. So find the keyboard button that's labeled CTRL, hold it down while hitting H, and you should get this screen right here. Now go over to Clear Browsing Data right here. Click on it. If the Advanced tab is not selected, if you're coming into Basic, choose the Advanced. Make sure this is set to all time and choose Clear Data. Now at this point, you're going to need to close that browser and try to relog into Blackboard. Now with Firefox, it's very similar. They just have their history is just a little different. Here's a Firefox window here. We've got to go over to the little three bars in the upper right hand corner, horizontal bars, choose options, and go to privacy and security on the left hand side. Click on clear history in the middle of your screen here and choose everything and choose clear now. Then also, if you're using that, close that browser, come back in and try to log into Blackboard. It's worked for me. Now, it still doesn't get us around sometimes you have to put that password in 2 or 3 times for it to work. But I'm going to try to get back in and Google so you can see that it's working. So let me go to OFTC here. I'm going to choose Blackboard. Single sign on, put in my password. And again, sometimes you may have to log in here 2 or 3 times, but they're working on patches for all these fixes as we speak. But I'm just looking for a way to potentially get you guys going. And this worked for me and about 4 other students a few moments ago. So I think you'll find it'll help you out. If you're using Edge, short answer is don't. If you're using Internet Explorer, let me know. I can create you a video for that. If you're using something other than that, let me know and I can potentially do something. But this works for Chrome and Firefox, which are the 2 browsers I would currently recommend for Blackboard. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.